So, welcome back to your second session, everyone. So, in this session, you are going to study about the blueprint 6, okay? And lesson 1, celebrity and election on page 38, okay? So, we have learned so far yesterday about the different texts between celebrity and some of the most of the important of leadership trait, right? So now teacher would like you to review some vocabulary that you learned so far yesterday, everyone. So the first one you learned like the word compassionate, right? Compassionate, meaning to feel like sympathies or like the person or those who suffer, right? Endorsement, right? Endorsement can be publicly announced, okay? Celebrity, the people who are being known by most people and can be superstar like football star, like film star, like model, okay. Next, about the intelligence, this is the part of the leadership trait that you have, like the basic you have six, okay, six leadership trait. Among of these we have intelligent as well. Next we have like ambitious, okay, and the last one, millionaire, those who are very rich person. Example, someone who has at least $1 million. Do you want to be a billionaire, everyone? Okay, so teacher would like you to review the text first before we go to the practice on page 39, everyone. So let's check the text number 2. Teacher would like to skip the text number 1 because of just about the leadership trait and just some keyword only. And you can see the text number 2 over there. You can see like okay, the definition like billionaire, okay, a very rich person. Example, someone who has at least 1 million, okay, $1 million, not 1 million real. So the text number 2, why do political parties use celebrity to promote candidates? Famous people influence public opinion according to marketing expert. If consumers feel good about a person, they feel good about the product that person endures. And this is true even if the product is a political candidate. This is why political parties are willing to spend millions of dollars on celebrity endorsement, okay? In general, the best celebrity endorser have 3 characteristics. First, they are personally attractive, not just good looking but also smart and fashionable. Second, they are believable. Celebrity endorser must seem honest and trustworthy. Finally, they have a clear relationship to the product. So, for example, it is more effective for an athlete to endorse athletic shoe and for a model to endure cosmetics than the other ways around, okay. So this is the meaning of the text number 2, okay. They prefer celebrity to promote in the like voting candidate mean election, okay. So what about the text number 3, everyone? So text number 3, like David Jackson, is a political science professor who studied the effect of celebrities on elections. He found that the influence of famous people on voting is complex. Occasionally, it clearly helps a candidate. One good example is Barack Obama, who first ran for U.S. president in 2008. He was endorsed by Oprah Winfrey, a well-loved talk show host, okay. Researchers estimate that Winfrey influence brought Obama about 1 million more votes. However, Jackson said that celebrity rarely actually change people's mind. Instead, they increase their enthusiasm. So, if you are already in favor of a certain candidate, an ad featuring a celebrity that you like may more motivate you to go out and vote for a candidate he or she endures. Okay, it's gonna be contrast from the text number 2, everyone. The last text, I wish that famous people would stay out of politics. I believe in free speech, and as citizens, celebrities have the same right to express their views as anyone else. However, because of their fame, they have a large audience than average people do. The celebrities are no smarter, more honest, and better informed than we are. In fact, they probably know very little about the problems of ordinary people. They are millionaires who spend most of the time with their millionaires. Not only that, if someone is an actor, he or she is specially skilled at lying. Maybe when the actors make a political ads, they are only saying what they are paid to say. I think that actor, singer, and other celebrities should stick to the job and not use their fame to influence public opinion on elections. What do you think about the first text and second text, the third and fourth, everyone? The author tried to compare different opinion regarding to election with celebrity. Some agree that celebrity should involve with the election. Some just say they should focus on their business or else, okay, and the rest just mentioned should be out of the elections, okay, because of the model star, okay, they just being paid to say. Do you think this all these texts, which one deserve to you, everyone? So now teacher would like you to do some practice, everyone. So you can turn your book on page 39, okay. You will see the first one, decide which text question refer to. Choose 1, 2, 3 or 4 and write it in the line below, okay. So we have 4 texts as well. So what can you see, everyone? Like the first one, which text argues that people shouldn't listen to celebrity political opinion, okay. Number 2, list the qualities that famous people should have if they want to make successful endorsements. Shows that people value intelligence and honest in leaders. Gives an example of a celebrity who influenced an elections. Teacher just give you a couple of minutes, everyone. Can you try to do it? Okay. So let's check the answer, everyone. So okay, agree that people shouldn't listen to celebrity political opinion. So this is refer to the text number 4. Okay, they mention that celebrities should be stay out of politics. Okay, they should work with their skill. Okay, their scenario, not about politics. They don't know at all about the ordinary people think of. Okay. How about number 2, everyone? List the qualities that famous people should have if they want to make successful endorsement. It refers to the text number 2. Text number 2 agree that celebrity should be involved with the politics, right? Show that people were you intelligent. Okay, refer to the text number 1, and the last one, text number 3. So now teacher would like you to see the next part, everyone. Okay, put the check mark next to the 4 statements that are true according to the text in activity B. Next to each true statement, write the number of the correct text. Number 1, an endorsement is more effective if the celebrity seems honest. Number 2, it's not important whether a famous person's work is related to products he or she endures. Number 3, rather than changing people vote, famous people actually affect how strongly people feel. Number 4, celebrity did not have any major effect on the 2008 US elections. Number 5, slightly more than half of people think that ambitions is important in a leader. Number 6, most celebrities are very wealthy and don't understand the life of average people. Number 7, most people appear in 20% of all advertisements. Okay, so now let's check the answer, everyone. Okay, so number 1, this is the true statement in the text number 2. And number 3, okay, rather than changing people vote, famous people usually affect how strongly people feel, text number 3. And slightly more than half of people think that ambitions is important in the leaders. So you can say that ambitious, adjective, ambition, noun. You see that only 51% that people believe that ambition is important in a leader. So the last one, famous people appear in 20% of all advertisement. Okay, 40% here that Oprah Winfrey, that the author believe that she promote 1 million votes, okay, to have like Barack Obama. Okay, so now let's move to the last part of your practice today, everyone. So teacher would like you to see this. Okay, some words they extract from the text, the 4 texts, like match the word and phrases with the correct definitions, like the word public, citizen, relationship between, okay, party, and enthusiasm, be in favor of, promote. The other way around, estimate and candidate. Public, everyone can know publicly, okay. Citizens, ordinary person or people, okay. Relationship mean to connect or to relate to each other. Party here not about like birthday party or like dancing party, no. Party here refer to a group of people that they propose, okay, to stand for the vote positions in the government. Okay. Number 3, enthusiasm refer to a feeling to applaud, okay, or feel like appreciate something. Be in favor of, to feel that you like something. To promote, it means you to provoke something, okay. Everyone can know, like promote like promotion, okay. The other way around, estimate, to estimate something mean you just try to predict it, okay. Candidate, a person who represent for a party to involve with the vote or elections. So are you ready to match the definition, everyone? Without any further delay, teacher would like to check it for you, and you are going to do some of these in your homework and classwork, everyone. So public, we have A to J, okay, to advertise, okay, the feeling of being very interested in something and wanting to be involved in it. To guess the cause side, value, extra, like of something, one of the people taking part in elections. To agree or improve, okay, an organization of people who share political belief and try to win elections. Someone who has a legal right to live in a particular country. Happen in the opposite way of the relationship or to people in general, a connection between two or more things. Okay, so teacher would like you to see the answer everyone. So public, okay. Public means related to people in general, okay. Everyone can know that. Citizen, someone who has a legal right to live in a particular country, okay. Number 3, okay. Number 4, party, an organization or people who share political belief and try to win elections. And enthusiasm, the feeling of being very interested in something or wanting to be involved in it. Promote, to agree with or to approve of, okay. The other way around can be happening at the positive way. Estimate, to guess. Candidate, okay. One of the people taking part in an election. So this is the end of your lesson today, everyone. So teacher would like you to wrap up again. Today's lesson you have learned the concept of from the author about different opinion about celebrity regarding to election, right? And also you learn about the definition with the 10 words that is straight from the text, okay. So if you have any question, everyone, don't worry, you may ask in the group, okay. Your teacher will try to help you and ask for more that you are not so sure with the text. Thank you so much everyone for watching and see you tomorrow. Thank you.